A Saranjam is grant of land for maintenance of troops or for military service found among the Maratha community in Maharashtra and the former Maratha administered regions of India, including territories in present-day Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. The grant was bestowed by a king or regional ruler of a princely state. The Saranjam system may be a form of the Jagir system. The land was mostly in the form of a rural Watan or Jagir, its owner being entitled to extract revenue from the villages included in the territory. Saranjamdar was the title given to the landlord or holder of a Saranjam. It was usually bestowed on that person for heroic deeds in the military field, thus most Saranjamdars were former military officers. He may be a jagirdar, always ranking as a vassal.